Hello everyone, today I'm focusing on the Toyota SR5 pickup, and this one is from Johnny Lightning. Doesn't say anything about Back to the Future, but this is definitely Back to the Future Toyota pickup. Here I do have the one from Back to the Future. It is made by GCD. This is a Diecast Dog exclusive. Even comes with the sign from the auto dealer, I think, and it got a license plate, and we're going to check if it has the same license plate as the one right here. Was waiting for this one for quite a while. Now I finally got it. Now let's open up the package. Some more light, please. Yeah, thank you very much. I always do it like this. There we go. Yeah, there is some information on the package. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And here we got some more info. Barcode, article number. No windows in the side, but we do have side mirrors. That's a good thing. And we have a license plate. Now I can already see it's not the same license plate as the one right here. I'm not 100% sure what the license plate of the Toyota pickup in the movie is. But because there is no sign of Back to the Future on the package, I think they put another license plate on it. Pretty good interior, gray metal here, and I think we have an opening part. Yes, with some details, color details. I have to say, Johnny Lightning also improved the engine details. I like that. Yeah, the technique is getting better. And we also have a metal base. So overall, this is a really cool car. Good rolling wheels, nice rims. What's on the tires? Wrangler? No. Yeah, I think it is Wrangler. Wrangler dial something. Can't see it that good. I think I need glasses. Yeah, this is the one from GCD. It has steering wheels, and I believe it also has an opening part. And guess what? The engine of the one from Johnny Lightning is much cooler with those color details. Yeah. Good rolling wheels. Yeah, a side mirror is missing here. And we got the smileys, and we have the 2-Bug 860 license plate, and this one has also an opening part, comes with the sign. I think there's also a deluxe version. And that one comes with some extra accessories. Here we got the base, nice spare rubber tire in the back, colored exhaust, silver. Yeah, very nice. Also have the Back to the Future DeLorean. Not sure what brand this is. DMC I thought, but I'm not 100% sure. Probably not on the base. Does have a metal base, good rolling wheels. Very well detailed. Also the interior comes with color details. Did a review about it. And it's also cool when it comes with a figure. I bought this figure from somebody on Instagram. He has a lot of cool figures, but recently I stopped buying from him. And I regret that because his figures are fantastic. sometimes I had to wait it so long for an order. Yeah. But dude, thank you very much for the cool figures you sent me. I appreciate that. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. I think this one is very cool, and the engine details makes it a winner in my opinion. Okay, I'm going to look it up what the license plate in the movie is. And then you see it in the screen right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. You really help me with that. Thank you so much. And I'm back in the future with more Diecast cars. Bye.